my name is Alosha, and today we are going to talk about trees, fungi, plant growth, and the germination process. That means which another name for plant growth. Okay, we are gonna see a tree. You can see this white color pigment, the white or kind of blue. You can see it. So this is actually fungi. You may thinking, how can this fungi be like that? It's like mushrooms and something. Okay. You can get it. I know you think about that, but it's a fungi carried by a parasitic creature. And just now, a tiny parasitic creature landed on my finger right here. It was trying to touch the tree bark right this area. You will find a lot of creatures here, but we are not gonna talk about it now, okay? So you can see these. You know that a parasitic moth carries these fungi into the trees. Oh, when this parasitic moth, it looks like it's white, very white. It matches this color. So when you take it out, when you touch that parasitic creature, you are going to see it as a jet propulsion. On the other hand, when it comes to the tree, it's a host, and it comes here and sucks the juice around the trees. Here you can find some holes where that parasitic creature has taken a bit of, sucked its juice, and the parasites get out of the tree and spread it out. Now we're going to talk about a different thing. Now this you see this place, it's plants. You can see these plants, and here you can see it. So you may be wondering how it's green color. So I'll tell you how it's that. Yeah. So when you see these, when you zoom in, you can find out in the cell that there's this green pigment called chloroplast, which contains the pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and makes it foods. We're going to not talk about it right now. We're going to talk about the plant germination. Okay, I'm going to grab a seed from the down of the soil, and I'm going to show it to you. You may see this seed, a mother tear seed. It's bright and red in color, so you may take it for decoration or something. So now we're gonna, this seed, you may imagine this seed comes from a mother tear tree, which looks like this. And now this is a mother tear seed that has turned orange in color, but it's grown big. So you can see this part here. It's a tiny root coming out. Here you can see this tiny stem-like thingy. That's the root coming out to trying to plant. Now, after a few days, you will find out that the tiny plant seed has become green and turned to leaves. And now you can see that the root has come inside, but we can't see it now. We had to dig out the ground. So these tiny plants are coming and turn into this. You can see this tiny petal. It gets off of this tree, and then you can see the petal right here. You see. And after a few days, this tiny tree will turn into a big tree like this one. It has fully grown, and it will turn into this one and a bigger one like those ones are there, and then turn to a full-grown tree. Like everywhere, there are trees that you can find in the tree. You can't definitely. Bye. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.